Let's talk about building wealth, honey. It's a journey that can transform your financial future and give you the freedom to live life on your own terms. It's not just about saving, it's about making your money work for you. Saving is the first step, but investing is where the magic happens. That's where investing comes in. By putting your money into stocks, bonds, or other assets, you can grow your wealth exponentially over time. Think of it like planting a money tree. You start with a small seed, your initial investment, and with the right care and attention, it can grow into something much bigger. You start with a little seed, your initial investment, nurture it, and watch it grow into something much bigger over time. Just like a plant needs water and sunlight, your investments need regular contributions and smart decisions. Investing might seem intimidating, like a game for Wall Street hotshots. The fast-paced world of stocks and bonds can be overwhelming at first glance. But guess what? It's not. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can become an investor. You don't need a finance degree or a Wall Street job to start. Anyone can become an investor, even with just a few bucks to spare. The key is to start small and gradually increase your investments as you learn and grow more confident. Remember, the early bird catches the worm, and the sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Time is one of the most powerful tools in investing. Investing is your ticket to financial freedom. It allows you to build wealth and achieve your financial goals, whether that's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. It helps you outpace inflation, which is that sneaky little monster that makes your money worth less over time. By investing, you can protect your wealth from losing value. By investing, you're fighting back and building a brighter future for yourself. Every dollar you invest is a step towards financial independence and security. So, are you ready to unlock the magic of investing and watch your money grow? Let's dive in. Together, we'll explore the exciting world of investments and discover how you can turn your dollars into dough. Okay, so what exactly are stocks? Let's break it down in simple terms. Imagine you're buying a tiny piece of a big company you love. It's like owning a small part of your favorite brand. That's what a stock is, a little slice of ownership. When you own a stock, you own a piece of that company. When the company does well, its value goes up, and so does the value of your stock. This means your investment grows. Now, where do you buy and sell these stocks? You might be wondering how to get started. That's where the stock market comes in. It's a place where stocks are bought and sold. Think of it like a giant online marketplace where people buy and sell pieces of companies. It's bustling with activity. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. With the right tools, anyone can navigate the stock market. There are tons of user-friendly apps and websites that make buying and selling stocks a piece of cake. These platforms are designed to be intuitive. You don't need a fancy broker in a suit to get started. You can do it all from your phone. It's convenient and accessible. So take a deep breath and let's break down the basics of stock investing. It's easier than you think once you understand the fundamentals. It's all about taking that first step and learning as you go. Start small, educate yourself, and gradually build your confidence. There are plenty of resources available, from online courses to webinars, and even discussions with friends who invest. Stay informed by reading financial news and analyzing stock charts. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. Set clear financial goals and celebrate your small successes along the way. Every step forward is progress. Regularly review your investment portfolio and plan your next moves. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. Feel confident about your investments and share your journey with others. You might inspire someone else to start investing too. Remember, investing in stocks is a way to build a brighter financial future. Visualize your goals and work towards them. With patience and persistence, you'll enjoy the benefits of your investments. It's a rewarding experience. So take that confident step forward and embrace the journey of investing. It's easier than you think. But Suze, you might say, don't I need thousands of dollars to start investing in stocks? Isn't the stock market only for the wealthy or those with a lot of disposable income? Not anymore. Thanks to something called fractional shares, you can dip your toes into the market with just a few bucks. This revolutionary concept has opened the doors for everyday people to start investing without needing a large sum of money up front. Fractional shares are like mini stocks. Instead of buying a whole share of a company, which can be pricey, you can buy a fraction of a share. This means you can own a piece of your favorite companies without having to save up for months or even years. So even if a single share of a company costs $500, you can buy a tenth of a share for just $50. This makes high-value stocks accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. This is a game changer for new investors because it lets you invest in companies you believe in without breaking the bank. You can start small and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable and knowledgeable about the market. Plus, it allows you to diversify your portfolio, which means spreading your money across different stocks to reduce risk. Diversification is a key strategy in investing, as it helps protect your investments from market volatility. Remember, every little bit counts. Starting small with $100 and adding to it consistently is the key to building long-term wealth. Over time, these small investments can grow significantly, thanks to the power of compound interest and market growth. So don't be discouraged by the idea that you need a lot of money to start investing. With fractional shares, you can begin your investment journey today, no matter your budget. Now, before you go throwing your $100 at just any stock, let's talk about how to choose companies worth investing in. It's like building a fantasy sports team, but instead of athletes, you're picking stocks. Start by thinking about companies you know and love, the ones making products you use every day. Read news articles, check out their websites, and see how they're doing financially. Are they making money? Are they growing? Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations from friends, family, or financial advisors. There are also great online resources for beginner investors that provide stock analysis and research reports. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time, do your research, and choose companies you believe in for the long haul. Section 5. Blue chips and growth stocks. Understanding different stock types. Just like there are different types of athletes, there are different types of stocks. Two common ones are blue chip stocks and growth stocks. Blue chip stocks are like the all-star veterans of the stock market. They come from well-established, financially sound companies with a long history of success. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or Disney. These stocks are generally less risky, but might not grow as quickly as others. Growth stocks, on the other hand, are like the rising stars, companies with the potential to grow rapidly. They're often in innovative industries like technology or renewable energy. Think Tesla, Square, or Beyond Meat. These stocks can be more volatile, but they also offer the potential for higher returns. Understanding the different types of stocks helps you create a balanced portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Section 6. Building your $100 portfolio. Some affordable stock ideas. Ready to start putting your $100 to work? Here are a few ideas for affordable stocks to get you started. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just to get your wheels turning. For the dividend lover, look into real estate investment trusts, or REITs, like Realty Income or Stag Industrial. They often trade for under $100 and pay dividends, which are like little cash bonuses for shareholders. For the tech enthusiast, consider fractional shares of companies like Alphabet or Microsoft. They're industry leaders with a history of innovation. For the socially conscious investor, explore companies like Unilever or Patagonia, which are known for their commitment to sustainability and social responsibility. Remember to diversify your portfolio and invest in companies from different industries, and always do your research before hitting that buy button. Section 7. The power of patience. Investing for the long haul. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building wealth over time, like planting a tree and watching it grow over years, not days. Patience, my friend, is key. There will be ups and downs in the stock market. That's normal. Don't panic and sell everything when the market dips. Remember, you're in it for the long haul. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on investing consistently, even small amounts, and let the magic of compounding work its wonders. Compounding is like earning interest on your interest, and it's the secret sauce to building wealth over time. Section 8. Resources for newbie investors. Tools to guide your journey. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, you're not alone. There are tons of resources available to help you navigate the world of investing. Check out websites like Investopedia or The Motley Fool for beginner-friendly articles and tutorials. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Stash make investing simple and accessible. Consider talking to a financial advisor. They can help you create a personalized investment plan based on your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn about investing, the more confident you'll become. Section 9. Take charge of your future. Start investing today. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards financial empowerment. Remember, investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. With just $100 and a little bit of know-how, you can start building a brighter future for yourself. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Open an account, start small, and watch your money grow. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to compound and work its magic. So what are you waiting for? Take charge of your financial future and start investing today.